From my house, I can see the sea. It goes like this. House, road, grassy cliff, sea. And town spread out, this way and that. My father is a miner, and he works under the sea, deep down in the coal mines. When I wake up, it goes like this. First I hear the seagulls, then I hear a dog barking. A car goes by on the shore road, and along the road, lupins in Queen Anne's lace rustle in the wind. First thing I see when I look out the window is the sea. And I know my father is already deep down under the sea, digging for coal.